Welcome to 3015 Wright Street, a sharp brick ranch nestled in the charming Maple Grove area of Applewood. This lovely home features an array of thoughtfully designed spaces ideal for fun living and entertaining. The large galley-style kitchen is a culinary enthusiast's dream, boasting ample counter space, abundant cabinetry and natural light that make it a delightful cooking space. Updated tile flooring leads you from the bright entryway into the kitchen and dining area, where there's more than enough room for a generous dining set. Adjacent to the dining area is the expansive living room that is highlighted by built-in shelving and stonework. The fireplace is not usable. Large windows and a newer sliding glass door flood the room with natural light and provide easy access to the large concrete patio and welcoming backyard. The primary suite features a huge closet and an ensuite three-quarter bathroom that has been freshly updated to provide a clean, bright space. The other bedrooms in the home offer peace and privacy, and each has plenty of natural light and closet space. Down the hallway, the main bathroom features an extra-large vanity with plenty of storage, complemented by natural lighting, modern fixtures and tile work. Descending to the fully finished basement, we find the generous space of the home continues with a large family room perfect for entertaining or relaxing. The fireplace is not usable. The basement also includes a large non-conforming bedroom with an oversized walk-in closet and plenty of light, making it versatile for various uses. A three-quarters bathroom in the basement offers ultimate convenience and ease of living on this level. Rounding out the basement is the sizable laundry room with washer and dryer hookups and additional storage. This well-appointed home does not forget the essentials: a large attached two-car garage, central air conditioning, auto lawn sprinkler, and newer windows throughout. The covered patio overlooks a big, pet-free yard, providing a perfect outdoor retreat. Don't miss your chance to experience this remarkable home. Contact our real estate team today to schedule your personal tour and see firsthand the elegance and comfort 3015 Wright Street has to offer.